I just have cleaned my room and everything, and now I'm going to take a bath. I got my COVID vaccine yesterday and this arm is paining a lot. Luckily I didn't have any fever or anything, but this arm is seriously paining a lot. It's 11 a.m. right now and I'm going to study ray optics. I will revise the entire ray optics chapter. And if you're wondering what's this new study corner, so I've created this new study corner in my room. And this table is that old table, that old 1500 wallah table that most of you were asking the link of. By the way, it is not available online. So now I will be studying ray optics, revising ray optics. So I'm done with the revision of first 4 lectures of ray optics, and these are the short notes that I have prepared. Done with half of the chapter. Now I will be taking a 1-hour break and then I will continue with rest half of the chapter. So I have this Topper's Handbook for Biology, and this one is by Oswald Books, and this one is for class 11th and 12th students, and for those students who are preparing for entrance exams like NEET. About what we have inside the book, talk about the first chapter of class 11th biology, which is the living world. So firstly, a mind map is given. So I think mind maps are really helpful in quick revisions, and if you just want to get the overview of the chapter, and these type of mind maps are given in starting of each chapter in the book. So then after mind map we have the first chapter study material. You guys can see the study material is given in these pointers. These pointers will be very easy to read. There are also options of scanning the code if you want more details about the topic. In this way, study material of each chapter is given. At the end of the chapter, there is also a section of know the facts. So in this section, some more extra facts about the chapter is given, and then starts the next chapter. So in this way, all the chapters of class 11th and 12th biology are given in this book. So I will link this book in the description box below, just in case if you guys are interested in buying this one. So it's 3 p.m. right now, and now I will continue with So it's 3 p.m. right now, and now I will continue with the rest half of the ray optics chapter. rest of the chapter. Few of the lecture revision is still left, but I am feeling very exhausted. So now I'm thinking to do something else, and whenever I feel motivated to study this chapter again, I will do it. And I just realized that I haven't turned on the timer, so I think I will add half an hour more at the end when I will come to my study time. So let's start it now. So now I will do chemistry and I will complete the ionic chapter now. It is 11 am right now and I'm done with my break. Now I will revise this chapter known as electrochemistry, and let's start the timer and just let's start studying. These are the short notes that I've prepared so far. So now I will take a little coffee break for like 15 minutes and then I will continue with the revision of this chapter again. So I'm going to make a new recipe today, which is of papdi chaat. So I really enjoy cooking, to be honest, but I didn't get that much time and I wanted to make this from a longest time, but today I have some time, so now I'm going to make this. So that's how they have turned out and they look nice, like they look tempting, but let's try one and see how they actually are. I'm going to try a smaller one. This actually tastes so good. So that's it for this video. You guys have already noticed that this was not a complete study vlog. These are just the random clips of me studying, cooking new recipes, working out and all. I usually film these type of clips almost every single day, but I never ended up posting them thinking that they are not complete study vlog. But I just posted one and I hope that you guys have enjoyed this. If you guys have enjoyed this, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you guys didn't enjoyed it, I will post a complete study vlog next video. So yeah, that's it for this video. I will see you guys in a new video very soon.